Listen. Hold on. You need to keep your feet like this far apart right here. And listen, son, keep that arm tight over here. And if you keep everything at this level, when you go forward and you bring it back, I need you to stop here, okay? And then I need you to aim like this. Pretend like you got a phone book right here. When you have a phone book in here, you're gonna be good. So when you come forward, see, you're already out of step. You gotta keep us in between here, okay? All right. Oh, no. Right here. All right. Okay.
I feel it.
No, here.
I felt that one.
Okay. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. It's what I do.